In this video, I'm going to show you how to find saved reels on Facebook. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And the first, open up Facebook app, then you can hit right here at a watch icon to bring up a watch page where you can find a lot of reels. You can tap on that, you can swipe up to switch to the next reel, and now let's say I like that one, and I can hit right here at three dots icon and select save reel. But what if I want to find those saved reels? In that case, all I have to do is right here, hit at profile picture. It brings us to your saved reels. Here I got to my reels. Here I can hit at liked reels to see the reels that I liked. And if I want to view saved reels, I can hit right here where it says view saved, and right there I can find all the reels that I saved. That reels are only visible for you, so nobody will be able to see that reels except you. I hope this video helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.